This Pedagogy Premiere is part of a series focused around language activities which can be used in class to introduce and practice a wide variety of vocabulary. The activity in this video is called Bring Me. For simplicity, in each video the activity will be explained and modelled using one language. The key vocabulary for other languages is then shared at the end of the video. In this activity, the teacher says,
Bringt mir,
and names an object. The members of the class then find the object and bring it to the teacher. Clearly this can be played with the whole class if the space allows. However, it might be safer in smaller spaces to assign each child into a small group where they're each given a number. The teacher can then say,
Gruppe Nummer 2 bringt mir ein Lineal.
This would then be repeated with a different number and a different object. The teams would then gain points for returning with the item first. This activity works well with classroom objects, but can also be adapted for other items or perhaps the colours using pencils. It could also be a PE warm-up, for example, using coloured cones or bean bags spread around a larger space. So that's
Bringt mir.
And in Spanish, we would say, tráeme, tráeme. While in French, we would say,
Apportez-moi. Apportez-moi.
Thank you for watching this Pedagogy Premiere. We hope you found it useful.